Hi guys, so you will welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC GCE and GCE examination. So guys, it's the first time watching my video, there, so subscribe, like, also the button in case you are going for this. Then be the first one notified and very important. So this is the second class. This is the class of today mathematics class. So in the first class, we have discussed our one solution because we are still working on this topic called logarithm. So you have solved this question at our first class. So in this second class, we are going to be solving this problem. Okay. Uh, Try to make it out free for us. So guys, if you're just watching the video, just keep it follow us. Click on follow button, click on subscribe button, depending on the platform you're watching us at this moment, and share with your friend. So in our VFA class, we have passed through this level. We have done a lot on advanced logarithm, but this is just to let us know because this is one of the classes that I gave to my VFA class, and I was unable to solve it. But though after 125, it's just 10 of them that was not able to solve this problem correctly. So I decided to make it my own. Let's try to solve it together. So I can suppose I also let my friends also benefit from it. So if you want to join our daily mathematics class, it's just 200 naira. I have the reason why I wouldn't join now. I'm here just help. I have the reason of doing that. Sometimes I charge this up to 5,000 naira for 1 hour, but I'm trying to make it more easy and for my people once like me when it does that then because I wish to have opportunity, but money is a good. But that is the reason why I try to break it down. I just wanted to put something. That is the reason why, because if I just do it free, many of you may not take it serious of that. So, but if you pay some basic of money, trainer, you can participate in my vehicles daily. So let's quickly solve this problem if you are writing this incoming WAEC examination. And also the class I made from SS1 to SS3. Our daily mathematics class is very interesting. So let's go and let's see how this problem can be solved. So the question is find the value of log square root or log of base of 12 of 3 of the number 81. Square root or base square root of 3, 81. Okay, now we have A, 81, B, 16, we have 8, we have 68, we have D, we have 3, we have E, root 2. Now, how do we solve this question not in the first place? Maybe you're given a question with this coming white examination or negligence in the exam. How do you tackle this question? That's the problem. So let's quickly solve to here with the first solution of time. Okay, let me big Y point out why it will be enough for this. The solution. Now, let's find it for this question out. We have the log of square root of 3 of 181, log of base of square root of 3 of 81. Now, how do you solve this question? Here we have 3. So if we look at this question 1, okay, this 81 can be written as index form. We have 3 raised power of 4 is equal to 81. The reason why I use this 3 because we have 3 here. Okay, this topic on a logarithm is called change of base. Students are finding difficult to solve this kind of problem in logarithm. When they have a question of change of base, they find difficult of solving this. So in our VIB class, we have three the easier way to solve or to remember and how to apply the question in this change of base to make it more easy. Join us and attend the class just so you know how to attend our class daily. So we are family, very interactive class. So the next thing you have to do here now, let's change this base. 63 is called the base. I have 3 here. I have 2 here. So let's change this base to, okay, base 3. And it is the base is already in 3, but I want to change it to base 3. Now to change it in base 3, it will be equal to when you have the log of this one be clear. Let me write it back again. The 3 of 81 is equal to, if you're changing to base, it will be log of, I want to change to base 3 because 3 is common to base 5, also common to base 10 for this part. So it will be log of 381 divided by, okay, log of base 3 square root of 3. That is how you change it. The first thing on the log, because this one must be a unity sometime. Okay, it must be a unity. Why this one can divide? That's according to the rules. So if you want to learn more about the log of base, of changing of base, gonna be because I have a copyright video like this. If I should be explaining in this video, it will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lot of time. I don't want the length of this video. I don't want maybe up to like 10 to 20. I want to try to short the length so you can benefit more about this. Now, what the next thing you have to do here now? I say that this hour H1 can be expressed as 3 raised power of 4 as an index form. Okay, so and this thing, when you have root of 3, it's same thing on writing 3 raised power 1 over 2. I can do the mathematical expression. This is indices, and indices and logarithm they are worked together. Okay, the same thing on writing like 3 raised power of 1 over 2. That's 1 over 2 is 3 is the root of this 3. That's the same thing. I get now. Now let's put this what we have here. It's 1 is equal to 2 is power of 4, and root of 3 is equal to 2 is power 1 over 2 into this place, and then we solve our problem. So we have to equal to, we have a log of the 3, it's 1 that is 3 base power of 4 divided by, and also we have the log of base 3, okay, and 3, that's this with 3 is equal to what? That is 3 base power of 1 over 2, okay. This is the right one, this is by 1 over 2, and this one will give us, let's say, since the base are the same, if you look at this page now, okay, let me try to break it down like this. So if you have a log of base 3 base power of 3, okay, I mean 3 base power of 4, log of base 3 base power of 4 of 1 over 2. Okay, so if you still remember the law of logarithm that says that if you have a log of base a or b base power of n is the same thing of saying this n come to the other side then that's equal to that is log of that is sorry come to the other side then that equal to that's n this n come to the other side then that's log of a of b. I get down. So when you have the mathematical expression like this, logarithm expression like this, the solution is equal to this. I get now. And also, when you have an expression like this, the solution is equal to this, and when you have an expression like this, the solution is equal to this. So when you have like this one now, okay, this one will come to this part, and 1 over 2 will come to this part. So this one will come that's 4, okay, log of 3 of 3. Okay, log of base 3 of this 3, because this 4 are come to this part. The same thing applicable to this generator here. We have a 1 over 2, 1 over 2 will come to that side here. That's log of, okay, 3 base 3, and this question is already solved. So here we have log of base 3 of 3. So log of the same number, they are the same base. Okay, the number and the base they are the same is equal to 1 according to the unity law of logarithm that says that when you have log of base a of a is equal to 1, because the number and the base they are the same, that must be equal to 1. So the same thing applicable here. So the means that this one is equal to 1 and this one is equal to 1. So this 4 will be equal to, there are 4, and since we said this one is equal to 1, there's open bracket of 1, okay, divided by, we have 1 over 2, and since this one also equal to 1, we put as 1 because they have the same base and the number they have the same thing. Now the next thing you have to do here, now let's multiply together. That is 4 times 1, that is equal to 4 divided by 1 over 2, 1 over 2 times 1, that is equal to 1 over 2. Now what you just have to do here, so let's break it down into normal mathematics. That's 4, okay, divided by 1 over 2. And when you have a fraction here, this part is not a fraction, the other part is a fraction. You can make this one as a fraction by introducing over 1 to it. Okay, this part is a fraction and this part is also a fraction. And mathematical expression, when you have the first part and second part, they are in fraction and they are separated by division. You have to change the division to multiplication. And when this division is changed to multiplication, this second part will to be inverse of the second part. So what I mean by the inverse is the reciprocal. It means that this 2 will goes up and this one will comes down. That's the reciprocal of the second part. Okay? So that's be equal to, that is 4 over 1, okay, multiplied by, that's 2 over 1. Now we are getting it now. So in this place, and that's normal mathematics, 2 times 4 times 2, that's equal to 8. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. So therefore, the solution to this problem is equal to 8. That is the answer to this problem. And if you look at the our option, if you look at our option, you have the option here. Option is option C. So very easy and very easy way to solve this problem. And that is step by step to solve this question. Though we are still under this logarithm because we have a lot of problem to treat on this logarithm. for today. So keep following us for any updates of a class like this. If you want to join our VIP class, it's just going at the moment on this video for 200 naira. You can join our VIP class for daily access to our mathematics lesson. One-on-one interactive. We give you assignment, we give you tasks to do to attend a class and to solve the classwork and also assignments. Very, very important. That is what we always treat our students every single day. Join us. If you want to join, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to share this video with your friend. Okay, thank you. God bless you.